Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you and tell you I need you and tell you I set you apart. Tell me the secrets, ask me your questions. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles or coming up tails, heads on a silence apart. Nobody said it was easy. Oh, it's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. Oh, let's go back to the start. Now I was just guessing at numbers and figures. I was pulling your puzzles apart. The questions of science and progress, but not speak as loud as my heart. So tell me you love me. Oh, come back and hold me. Oh, and I rush to the start. Just running in circles. Oh, she said